Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about what is Robinhood cash sweep. So I will explain this in simple words. So the brokerage cash sweep is basically all your uninvested money in your brokerage account in your Robinhood will be swept into a actual account where you can earn interest, unlike where it's just sitting in your Robinhood account in your brokerage account with no interest. It's not going to earn anything. So you can opt out when you actually sign up for this. So it's called the brokerage cash sweep program. So if you don't want it, you can just opt out. But basically, this will let you earn interest on money that you don't use in your account, and you can opt to just put it there, and then you're gonna earn interest. And then it's also FDIC insured up to $2.5 million basically. So there you go. In simple words, that's just what the brokerage cash sweep program is. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.